So hello everyone, this is Amir Hussam and I'm going to talk about bottle design or surface design. We'll use Autodesk Inventor. So let's try with this simple bottle. It's a glass bottle called Nivea. This bottle is simple, but it has, from the back, it has this arc. Okay, so I can draw here to show you. Okay, so this arc here and also this arc here. So this arc, it will look like cut here. It has sharp cut, okay, from here and from here. Okay, so if I want to start doing something like this, I will go to File, New. I will choose Unit in millimeter and I will click on Create. Okay, first of all, the base here is circle, so we just start with 2D sketch and we create a cylinder or a circle and extrude it to have a cylinder. Let's measure the diameter. It's 4 centimeter. I'll click finish. I need to make extrude until here, so from here to here. Okay, 70 centimeter, 70 millimeter, that means 7 centimeter. I'll click OK. You have to choose origin, this work plane, that YZ, okay, and start 2D sketch on this work plane. Okay, the starting of arc, this arc, it started, I will change the color, change the thickness. It started from here, area here, not from the center. One, I will draw arc from here, okay, to here, and it will be look like this one. See, it's having an angle inside like this one. Here, let's see, gizmo or the origin of the rotation, and what happened is this face has been rotated until here around this one. So this is the origin. Let's say if this is the protractor, so this is the angle. Okay, so I'll try to show first, number one, how to create the arc, how to cut. Number two, how to move this rotation for this part for inside. Okay, there is an option in Inventor to insert image here. If you want to see as an example, I will show you how to do it. I'll click on this one. See, let's say like this. So our line, but it's not in the center, but just this is just for you to demonstrate the idea. Okay, so I can click on slice here to see the graphic, the standard. Okay, so I will start from here. I will go here. As I said, not in the center. I will make offset from the center a little bit, and I will draw arc like this one. So now I finish. Okay, from the side you go here to split, choose this option, solid, and click the split tool and click on keep both sides. Go to direct edit tool, click on this face and then select rotate, and then choose to change. Okay, put it here. Now drag inside like this, -8, let's say -8, and I will click on add. Okay, see what I get, this shape. same shape. Of course here there are fillets on the part, so again if I rotate my part I'll find it from the side similar to, can you see this line inside? Maybe 8 is too much, you make it show dimension -6. Okay, so based on the shape, and as I told you, you can create fillets based on also the dimension that you have. So you have, if you have radius gauge, this will help you. This one here fillet is wrong. There is one important thing why this fillet here did not work, because this is another body. See this is another body. Okay, because when I said split and keep both, what happened here? I have two solid bodies. See, look here, solid body 1, solid body 2. It's the time to combine. Okay, combine this one and this one and say okay. So now you have one solid body. So based on the shape, we will create, let's say here, maybe 3, and also here, right, 2. Yes. All the time when you see these lines, this line, it maybe you can feel that it's incorrect, but these just indication that there is a surface here, and there is a surface here, and there is a surface here. Okay, but if you go to view, visual style, shaded, you will have something like this. This is just the easy part. From here, start to the sketch here, or without copy, just create a circle, extrude, just make it 5 to keep at least straight area here, and then this one, because if you look to the bottle, it has some straight area here. Okay, and then of course I don't want, as I said, to go in details about how to create the thread or how to create, because this in other tutorials. My only concern here in this tutorial is to help you how to visualize the surface and how to deal with surface. Okay, let's start to the sketch. I have trim here. I will finish, revolve on this line, but I will create it as a new solid. Okay, because this is not the correct way, as I said, to do this in Inventor. You have to create assembly. Let's say and I will go here for solid, this one 3. I will choose clear, go to this work plane. I will create offset. I will create 2D sketch here. Let's say I want to choose this image. Let me say I want to place it here. Okay, I will click decor. I will select the image. I will select the face. Click OK. So this is a way to I can create from other side. Let's say I want to create it here. Start 2D sketch on this face and I'll place the image. Let's see here. Okay. Let's say flip normal. Then after the finish, I will import the image, this image on the face, this face, Yes, I will choose this one. If choose automatic chain, it will cover it all. I will remove the work plane. So this is the part. Okay. So this, if you look from the side, so this is the end of this example about Nivea. Thank you for watching.